Hello students, this is another problem for 24 marks and the cost of capital. Yesterday I have sent you the recorded slide that is also for 24 marks. So first we will go through the problem, understand it, then we will go for the calculation. Okay. So A Limited has three capitals, equity share capital, 6% preference shares and 8% debentures. They are 40 lakh, 10 lakh, 30 lakh, total 80 lakh. The market price of the company share is 20. It is expected that the company will pay a current dividend of rupees 100 per share, which will grow at 7% per annum. So market price is 20 rupees, dividend is 2 rupees, growth rate is 7%. It is given for the KE, calculation of cost of equity. The tax rate is 50%. What you have to calculate is weighted average cost of capital based on existing capital structure. This second question we will answer later. First we will answer for the first one, calculate the weighted average. To calculate weighted average, what we have to do is, what we have to calculate first KE, then KP, then KD. We will calculate first KE. The information given is D is given, P is given, G is given. So it is a growth method. We will calculate, see here, KE is equal to D divided by P into 100 plus G, that is 2 divided by 20 into 100 plus 7%. So you will get a total 17%. Okay. Now the cost of preference shares. Preference shares here KP. KP is 6%. Now no other information is given about the preference shares, so it will be same as a 6%. Okay. So 6%. Say no other information is same, so KP will be same 6%. KD we have to calculate. It is face value is assumed to be 100. I have assumed 100. Here also if you assume 100 you will get 6% itself. 100 assumed, so interest will be 100 into 8% 8, then 50% tax, you will get the answer 4%. Now calculate weighted average cost of capital, that is equity share capital into KE, preference share capital into KP, debentures into KD into 100. Okay, so 40 lakh into 17%, 10 lakh into 6%, 3 lakh, 30 lakh into 4% divided by 40 lakh, 10 lakh, 30 lakh into 100. So total you will get 10.75%. Now we will calculate the next, that is new weighted average cost of capital. Okay, new weighted average cost of capital, that is answer for the second question given here. Second question, what is the second question is, calculate the new weighted average cost of capital if a company raises an additional 20 lakh. Additional, it means the old will continue. The old we have equity share capital, preference share capital and debentures. This will continue, but along with that we have a 20 lakh of debentures which rate is 10%. Okay, this would result in increase in dividend 3. So what happens is, when they go for the debentures of 20 lakh, dividend will be rupees 3, the market price will be rupees 15. Okay, so see here, weighted average cost of capital, new weighted cost of preference shares remains the same. Cost of equity will be calculated again, taking the dividend as a 3, market price as 15 into 100, 7, growth rate is same, so it will be same. So you will get 27%. KP will be same, KD old will be same, KD new we have to calculate. See, KD new, taking 10%, assumed 100 as this, so 100 assumed, so 10 50% you will get 5%. KP will be same as earlier. The KD, that is old KD, will be same 4%, same as earlier. Now we will calculate it, the new weighted. See here, the new weighted is 40 lakh earlier, the new percentage is 27% plus 10 lakh preference shares into 6% this thing, what preference shares plus 30 lakh debentures of 4% debentures, so 4% you will get old. This is 20 lakh new debentures, so it will get 5%. So total, if you substitute all the values, 40 lakh, 10 lakh preference shares, 30 lakh debentures old and 20 lakh new. So all these things we will get together 13.6%. you will get the answer 13.6%. Okay, so the answer is 13.6%. Okay, 13.6% is the answer. Go through the problem. If you have any doubts, you can clarify. Thank you. The thing is, if you read only, you can understand. First, calculate KE. KP, no need of calculating because no other information same. KD, old, 8%, 50% tax if you reduce, then you will get the rate. Calculate the weighted. Again, second is 20 lakh additional which is added to the old one. So it will change the dividend and market price. So KE once again calculated. KP same. KD old is same. KD new you have to calculate. And calculate the new weighted average cost of capital which is 13.6%. Okay, thank you.